Today we are going to walk through a straightforward process to include portfolio projects in your WordPress website. The goal of this guide is to ensure that you know how to manage your site settings so that your portfolio projects can be showcased efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. When you arrive at the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page. You will notice a login option there. Clicking on this login link starts the process of accessing your account. After you click on login, you will encounter a range of authentication options. For ease and security, choose the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This method streamlines the login process by using your existing Google credentials instead of creating a separate username and password for WordPress. Simply click on the Continue with Google button and select the Google account you wish to use. This secure method makes it simpler to manage your website without the hassle of remembering additional login details. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to the administrative area of your WordPress site. At this point, your next step is to access the Settings panel. The Settings area is a central hub where you can adjust multiple aspects of your website. Within these settings, you need to locate the section that allows you to manage various writing options. WordPress categorizes certain preferences under writing, and it is here that you will find the controls for portfolio projects. Now that you are in the writing section, your focus should be on finding the option specifically labeled for portfolio projects. This setting controls whether or not the portfolio feature will be available to display your work. The portfolio project option is typically represented by a toggle or a checkbox. Activating this feature is a crucial step in ensuring that your website is capable of handling diverse content formats, including the seamless presentation of your portfolio pieces. After you have turned on the Portfolio Projects feature, it is important to ensure that your changes are saved. The settings page includes a Save Changes button that you must click to finalize the modifications you have made. Saving your changes is a necessary action because it confirms and applies the new settings to your website. Once this button is clicked, your WordPress website will be updated to include the Portfolio Projects option, meaning that you can now add and display your work efficiently. This guide has taken you through the necessary steps required to activate your portfolio projects in WordPress. By first accessing WordPress, then logging in through your Google account, navigating to the settings and writing sections, enabling the portfolio projects feature, and finally saving your changes, you have put in place a functioning system where your work can be professionally displayed. Every stage of this process is designed to be user-friendly and secure, ensuring that your website remains updated and visually appealing. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your WordPress site and the ease of showcasing your portfolio projects in a clear and organized manner.